First up tonight, it's news everyone's excited to hear about. A third COVID-19 vaccine could be on its way to Oregonians by the end of the month.
Johnson & Johnson is planning to apply for emergency use authorization within the week, but this vaccine is different from the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines. Fox 12's Bridget Chavez is live and breaks down how this single-shot vaccine is supposed to work. Bridget?
Yeah, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine basically works like a Trojan horse, using the cover of a cold virus to sneak the COVID-19 spike gene into your body. As people across the country wait for their turn to be vaccinated against COVID-19, a third vaccine by Johnson & Johnson can't come soon enough.
Whatever's available, I will get it.
Maylee Howland is 72 and she hopes to get the shot in her arm by the end of this month, which is when the Johnson & Johnson vaccine could become available if it's granted emergency use authorization by the FDA. Howland says she'll just be relieved to get any form of protection against the virus.
Really, just getting protected is right now is the best thing. So I'm not being choosy.
So what are the main differences between the Johnson & Johnson vaccine versus Pfizer and Moderna? Unlike those vaccines, the Johnson & Johnson one is only a single dose, and instead of messenger RNA, uses a Trojan horse approach. Professor of Pharmacology Amber Buehler explains that it uses a cold virus or adenovirus as a cover to sneak in the genetic code or DNA for the spike protein found in COVID-19 into the body.
The important thing is it's not using the whole DNA from the whole virus, so it's just coding for this one protein, so you can't get COVID from it.
She says your body then produces some of the spike protein, which primes your immune system so that you're ready if the real coronavirus comes along. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine is less effective than both the Pfizer and Moderna shots. It's 72% effective in preventing moderate to severe COVID-19 versus 94.1% for Moderna and 95% for Pfizer. But the Johnson & Johnson vaccine doesn't have to be stored at freezing temperatures, making it much easier to distribute.
Right now, our goal is to get as many people vaccinated with something good as possible. And the Johnson & Johnson is good.
Buehler says to avoid having vaccine-resistant viruses, we need to get everyone vaccinated with something as soon as possible.
Even if you have a vaccine that's now only 50% effective against some really bad strain, that's still, again, halving the number of infections.
And with all three of these vaccines, we still don't know how long they last or the efficacy of them preventing transmission. We've also reached out to local health officials, wondering if when this third vaccine becomes available, if you'll have a choice as to which one you get, and have not yet heard back. Reporting live in Northwest Portland, Bridget Chavez, Fox 12 Oregon.